Welcome back to the cocktail vlog, guys. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a Milano Torino. This cocktail is very simple and it predates the Negroni and the Americano. It's a simple 2-ingredient cocktail, being Campari and vermouth, a sweet vermouth or Italian vermouth, and the name derives itself from the ingredients. So Campari being from Milan, Milano, and the Vermouth di Torino from Turin. Milano Torino, also known as a mito or mito, however you like to pronounce it. Very, very simple, equal part cocktail of 30 ml, 1 ounce of Campari. Of course, if you want more to drink, then just do 45 ml, double shot, however you like, equal parts. 30 ml, 1 ounce of Koki vermouth. Koki vermouth. Add ice to your glass and give it a stir for 20, 30, 40 seconds until you reach the ideal dilution for you. This was first made back in the 1860s in a cafe in Italy, and I'm sure it wasn't made in a beautiful mixing glass and strained over the top. It was probably just measured, equal measures, quick stir, and served up like that. I'm just making assumptions, by the way. So this is not historically accurate. And serve that with a slice of orange. There you have a Milano Torino. Cheers. Super bitter, just like that of a Negroni. If you like Negronis, if you like Americanos, this will be your jam. Probably more, not as complex as a Negroni, because you don't have the dry gin, you don't have that dryness and the botanicals from the gin coming through. It's just more Campari forward. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.